Hi, this is a video I animated for my assignment in science class, which I chose as the topic of nuclear versus hydro, and which one we should pursue.
Category 1, Renewability.
The first category I'll be talking about is renewability. One big difference between nuclear and hydro is that hydro is renewable and nuclear is not, as we will eventually run out of uranium and other finite materials needed for nuclear. This is important because it means that nuclear won't last forever, as we will run out. But for hydro, as long as water flows, hydro will generate electricity, so hydro wins in this field.
Category 2, Safety.
The second category I'll be talking about is safety. Despite nuclear energy's reputation as super unsafe, it's actually quite the opposite. As according to the source from class, nuclear is the second safest energy source, at 0.03 deaths per 1 terawatt hour of energy produced. For context, a terawatt hour is equivalent to the annual electricity consumption of 150,000 people in the EU. So, this surprised me a lot. I assumed nuclear would be really deadly because of all the bad press it gets. Nuclear is only narrowly beaten by solar at 0.02 deaths per 1 terawatt hour. And this is a side point, but how do you even die in solar? Like, who has died from solar? They're just solar panels. Hydropower, on the other hand, has 1.3 deaths per 1 terawatt hour of energy produced. While still safe compared to fossil fuels, it is definitely the most dangerous of the renewables and non-emitters. This is important because, well, it's good when people don't die. So, yeah, nuclear wins in this department.
Category 3, Land Usage.
The third category I'll be talking about is land usage. Nuclear takes up 0.3 cubic meters per megawatt hour, enough energy to power an average American home for 1.2 months. Hydro, on the other hand, takes up between 14 to 33 cubic meters per megawatt hour.
Variation is due to differences in dam size.
That's like a lot bigger than nuclear. Like a lot bigger than nuclear. 0.3 versus 33. Bigger number. The number it's a bigger one. This is important because the more land an energy source takes up, the more visible / ugly it'll be, and more importantly, the more it can affect the local environment. So nuclear is also better in this regard.
Conclusion.
So which one do I think we should pursue? Well, both. Both of these energy sources are very effective and near emission free. In fact, not only should these two be pursued, but all non-emitters should be pursued where they are applicable. Climate change is a really big deal and needs to be tackled right now, and in as many ways as possible. If we abandon one energy source, then at least some percentage of it will be replaced by fossil fuels. We can't fight climate change if we keep arguing on which one specific singular way we should do it, instead of just fighting it however we can. Thanks for watching. I just finished animating and it's 3:30 a.m. on a Monday, so I'm gonna be really tired tomorrow. Yeah. Bye.